We're proud to showcase our CTKPCV02 Professional Installation Kit for the Chevrolet Camaro from 2010 to 2014. The CTKPCV02 retains the steering wheel controls such as volume, track and source so that they work in correlation with your new aftermarket head unit. Located at the bottom of the fascia is your new dual touchscreen HVAC unit. On the driver's side screen, you will find controls that alter the various aircon functions. These include the overall temperature, fan speed, circulation and fan orientation. On the opposite screen, you will be able to access your unique vehicle configuration menu. Within the vehicle settings, you are able to adjust factors such as the time and date, the lighting, and the locking system preferences. The ITC settings allow you to change the brightness of the picture as well as choose the specific brand of radio connected. In addition, the CTKPCV02 also supports Spanish and French as well as the English language. To find out more information about our professional installation kits or more directly the CTKPCV02, please head on over to our website at www.connex2.com.